Chicago. The St Valentines Day Massacre is still talked about in Chicago each year. Many people visit the site. Once a building is now a vacant lot, Al Capone is said to have ordered a hit on the unsuspecting victims. Afterward, it is claimed Al Capone was haunted by one of the men until Al died. There are many other stories of experiences as a result of this terrible tragedy. Rumors circulate that those owning bricks from the wall where the men were shot suffered financial misfortune. While in Chicago, we decided to visit this site, and as a result, our photographs reveal strange shadows forming behind me.